Guys, this is Oneboy TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. This is New Year, and Happy New Year to you guys. If I haven't wished you guys New Year, Happy New Year to everyone. May this year favor us in the mighty name of Jesus. One thing I'm about to say about this platform is that the only thing that will make you to remain poor, or that will make you to remain where you are this year 2026, is negligence and unseriousness. Yeah, negligence and unseriousness. That one footstep you're about to take might be the one that will change everything, but you are just afraid to take that footstep. All right. When I posted this particular platform a month ago, they were having 152 million liquidity. But now, from 152 to 171 million liquidity, people are rushing into this place. This is not. See, let me just be frank with you guys. Let me just be frank with you guys. This is New Year. I don't want to post any updates that we will put in our money and we'll be hearing stories. The founder of this platform, like the developer, they chatted me on WhatsApp. We spoke, like we had a conversation. I Before I made this video, they gave me the link of this platform. I create an account. I log in through my own account. I went through everything. Like, this platform is not just a platform. Trust me, it's not just a platform. The platform went live on October last year, 2025. But me, I came across the channel November, ending of November, or first week of December rather, 2025. So it's not too far the project launched before the platform went live, before they now inbox me for promotion. You understand? So the owner of this platform, like the devs, the developers, me and them, we had conversation. You guys might be thinking that maybe this is one of those platform. I promised myself and I promised you guys on my WhatsApp group that I won't share any platform that we put us at risk. Although this is not a financial advisor, but I'm promising you that this platform is more than you think. Let me just log into my account and show you guys what I'm okay. If you go to this withdrawal now, I think a dollar there or thereabout. Okay, I have 0.9 USD or thereabouts. I have made some couple of withdrawals here. So scroll. If you want to recharge, click on recharge. I have made a full video on how to make money on this place. You can select any of this, select any of this, then they will generate you a wallet address. Then you click on it. You can see this one is on BEP20 USDT, and the address is showing down here. You can see it. So if you want to make payment to this BEP20 USDT, kindly click on copy here. It will be copied, right? So let me go back to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. This is the video I made. Let me play it. Let me play the video. So I will show you guys how many liquidity they were having when I made this video. They were having, I think, 152 million liquidity, but now they are having 171 million. Though that means over almost 20 or 21 million have joined in the past 1 month, and more are still joining. All right. So this is the video here. I don't know why it refused to play. You can see it a month ago. You can see the video here a month ago. So the link to get started on this particular platform is on this video description. You can see it here. You can see the link here. See it. This is the link. So click on it, or you copy it and paste on your favorite browser. All right. You can even scroll down to watch some of my videos. That you can watch all this one, chat with AI and make money online. The best place to get residential property, how to claim free Bitcoin, free from keychain. Yeah, what of my key. So scroll down to watch other of my videos. All right. So these projects look promising, and I believe that it will cook. I have pulled over 30 USDT for the past a month from this place. All right. I have pulled over 30 USD from this place without. I'm not kidding. I'll be leaving the link on the video description. I'll be leaving the link also on the video description again. For those of you, please do yourself a favor. This is 2026. This is 2026. Do yourself a favor. Get something. If you can't find a job to do, create one. See, I don't just I don't just want I don't just like telling you guys stuff so that you guys are not serious human beings. To be honest, you guys are not serious. So mark you. I'm making this video as of let's say 7th of January 2026. So by 7th of February, let's see how many million this Gavin Wood is going to have, because now they are having 171 million. When I made my first video, they were having 152 million. That's almost 20 million or 21 million have discovered this platform and they are diving into it. I pity you. So go through it, log in, create account. To create account it's free, and if you create account, you will get free money. Yeah, you get free $1 or $2, which is withdrawable when you make your first savings or your first investment or your first looping. Yes, you get free $1 or $2. So get started with this app, get started with this platform. All right, get started. I'm not telling you guys what we click on recharge to recharge, click on withdraw to withdraw if you meet up to $2. Yes, click on loop if you want to loop money. All right, so if you click on loop, maybe you want to loop maybe like let's say let's say 10 or let's say you want to load 50 USDT, for example, for a day. So let me show you what we'll be getting. You'll be getting amount amount range. So select 2 days, for example. Let's select 2 days. All right, let's select 2 days. You see what we'll be getting. In 2 days. You'll be getting 54 USDT. That means you loop the money. So at the end of 2 days, you will withdraw your 50 USDT plus this free USDT. So let's select 30 days, for example. You withdraw 305 USDT with your 50 USDT. So at the end of 30 days, you will withdraw 300 plus USDT. That is free money. Trust me, that is free money. You wouldn't want to miss this. So if you select 5 days, for example, with your 50 USDT, you'll be getting 70 USDT. That is extra 20 USDT. You can even do this with 100 USDT. Maybe like go for 10 days. You see, 10 days is 230 USDT. Then you can pull up your money. You can pull out your money and put it in some other event. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. What if the basket fall down on the long run? What are you going to do? What are you going? You split your eggs into different baskets. But when some break, you will have something to to fall back on. All right. So if you are going for 60 days with your 50 USDT, you'll be getting 620 USDT. So if you are going for 90 days, you're getting 900. If you're going to 180 days, you'll be getting 2,121 USDT with your 50. So at the end of 180 days is when they're going to release your money. Mind you, at the end of 180 days is when they're going to release. So I'll advise you to go for this one. So I'll advise you to start with higher amounts, maybe like 50, 100 upward. But if you start with 50, go for 10. So at the end of 10 days, you will withdraw 111 USD. That is extra 65 USDT plus your 50. They don't charge withdrawal fee. Yeah, they don't charge withdrawal fee. So maybe you go for 10, go for 15, or you go for 30. Minimum it should be 30. Don't exceed 30. I'm telling you this thing. Not that they're going to scam, but don't exceed 30 in case. I told you guys earlier, this is not a financial advisor, so don't exceed 30. If you exceed 30, you are at your own risk. Even this one I'm showing you now, you are at your own risk. But if anything happen, you will be on the safer side. All right. I'll be leaving you guys here, and I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Peace.